Jake Boyd here with Guarantee RV Supercenters in Junction City. I want to talk to you about this 2020 Sundance 291 QB. It's a bunk quarters trailer. You got about 29 foot 1 inch of floor plan. You got a lot in there and still a really low GVWR. So 7,710 pounds fully loaded. So let's walk you around some of the features that really set this guy apart and see what Sundance is doing with it. Electric tongue jack, double propane tanks off the front. There's an exchange between them, so if one of them goes dry, you don't have to switch them over in the middle of the night to actually keep them going. Huge pass-through storage up front. You have a strip of LEDs up there that's going to light up your way, make sure that nothing's going to get lost in the dark there. Electric stabilizer jacks, front and rear. Push button really makes it easy, saves your arms on your cranking. So as you can see, you have a long length of trailer here, and you have an awning that follows pretty much most of it too. I'm going to walk all the way down so they're trying to make sure you can make use of the outdoor space as much as the indoor space. And what they have to do so, you have an outdoor cooking station, an outdoor fridge, two burner stovetop here. It's got your windscreen on it as well. You have a functioning sink there too. Your plug-ins as well if you wanted to bring anything out here and have it running. And these are really nice. You have your magnetic latches. Magnets simply not going to fail in the short term or the long term on there as well. So let's head inside and actually check out this great trailer and really makes a bunk quarters stand out beside a bunk house. Big grab latch, triple step to make your way up. Sundance has a nice, really nice barreled roof. So there's a really high center point on the roof, so it feels really high space throughout. You have a big TV right up front that's connected to your Furrion sound system, Bluetooth capable. You can just cast to it from your phone, your laptop, your iPad. This TV spins around from the main room to the bedroom, just as easy as that. And then when you're ready to pack it away, you can actually get into to the bedroom from either side as well. Big queen bed. There's storage for your closet space on either side. Really nice book lights up top. USB for and storage up top for phones you want to keep at hand, as well as nice hardware on this big pass-through storage. Plus, not only do you have that pass-through storage, but you have this under bed storage as well. Ducted heating and AC in this, so your ducts are pushing that air all the way through this trailer. Some deep counter space, which is really nice. Whenever you have a coffee pot, Instapot, you just want to leave it there. You don't want to break it down, take it out, put it away every single time. This really helps to have that counter space. Huge single basin stainless steel sink, so you can wash an entire pan all at once instead of one side at a time. Flush mount for your stovetop here that folds back and turns into its own backsplash. Really nice cabinetry all the way across too. Smart design to actually anticipate how people are going to use it and have things at hand instead of having to do some aftermarket just kind of fixes for some things as well. You have right next to it, you have your jackknife and couch. You have a nice armrest there and cup holders. Jackknife goes flat, turns into another bed, just as easy as that. Storage underneath either side of your dinette, really nice dinette. Windows all around too, on the front and the rear, so when you're seating, get a good line of sight. Big fridge, and that's right next to your bathroom. Bathroom in here. When you have a bunk quarters, they definitely outfit it with a tub, so if you have little ones that need a little more attention, you have the space to do so inside. Nice towel rack as well, and a really nice medicine cabinet, true medicine cabinet in there. And from here, we're going to go into what makes this special. Nice solid door between your rooms as well. A great setup back here with 1, 2. This can be converted into a bed, and you have your bed that pegs away and can get tucked out of the way. 3, 4. So you have 4 sleeping spaces up here, or if you want to just take this up and leave that as your kind of table and chair setup, you have the ability to do so. You have 2 beds, table and chairs, and an extra space up top if you need it, plus a great countertop and media space here with its own set of storage and lighting everywhere. If you have any questions about this bunk quarters trailer or any other trailer we have on lot, drop me a line at 773-655-7190 or stop by and say hello.